This is a heart that has left the body. Are you also curious about why it can beat continuously? The heart is the strongest muscle in the human body. Its main function is to pump blood through blood vessels to various tissues and organs throughout the body, through contraction and relaxation. Every beat of the heart is accompanied by a resonance effect, which is also the main reason why it can make sounds. The reason why it can beat continuously is because the heart can spontaneously generate conductive electrical signals to drive the periodic contraction and relaxation of myocardial cells. Each beat provides about 70 milliliters of blood to the human body, and it beats about 100,000 times a day. Although it is only as big as a fist, it has to bear the entire responsibility of driving the human body. The one-way membrane in the heart can prevent blood from flowing back. When blood flows into the atrium, at the moment the heart beats, the one-way membrane closes, and the blood flows into the ventricle under the action of pressure, and finally flows out through the arteries. Through rhythmic beating, the oxygen-containing blood is transported to the tissues and organs throughout the body through blood vessels, thereby maintaining the body's oxygen supply. This is the blood circulation process, which is divided into two parts, namely systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation. In the systemic circulation, the left heart pumps blood into the aorta when it contracts, and drains it to the capillary network throughout the body through its branches at all levels, for material exchange and gas exchange within the tissues. The pulmonary circulation uses the capillaries to collect the blood with low oxygen content and return it to the right atrium through the veins. The right atrium pumps blood into the left and right pulmonary arteries, which are distributed to the pulmonary capillary network after being shunted by the pulmonary arteries at all levels for gas exchange with oxygen in the alveoli, and the arterial blood with more oxygen is collected into the pulmonary veins and returned to the left atrium. The blood flow in the left atrium flows into the left ventricle again and enters the systemic circulation. The heart is like a super four-cylinder engine, which provides a steady stream of energy for the human body. When you were a 6-week-old fetus, your heart started working, and in the next few decades, it will work hard for you all the